partners, supporters, and friends of Entrepreneur Now. We're all really excited here at Be Now as we're getting ready for the press event next week. I just want to give you a quick sneak peek as to what we're about to roll out, because soon you're going to be seeing a lot of press coverage on our awards program. So let's get started. The event is set for July 3rd, and we're ecstatic that Hive is our host, and Coffee World is providing us with a coffee break. If you're interested to join, please send us an email to book your seats. Priorities are given to partners, speakers, media, and sponsors. I will give an introduction to E&A, Entrepreneur Now, and the process for the awards. KunPrawuthAftarat.com will also give a keynote address. Each of our partners will share a few words, and our partner YouGov, an internet market researcher, will share an infographic that will give insight into the entrepreneur market in Thailand. We are delighted that several renowned entrepreneurs will be joining us to share their inspirational messages. From Kun Benjapan of Absolute, to Kun Connor of Anovar, Kun Salani from Jonas Global, Kun Amarit from Hubba, and Tim from Agoda, who will speak about how entrepreneurs can attract investments from larger companies. Thank you again for all your support, and we look forward to sharing more updates with you soon. We also want to thank our sponsors, Thai Air Asia X, BrandNow.Asia, YouGov, Acer, and Avon. And our media sponsors, the Asian Entrepreneurs and Phuket News. We want to thank our friends at BusyBee at 115, ClickDesk, One Day, and the Hive of Bangkok for being our friends and sharing the news on Entrepreneur Now to their co-working space friends.